creating a natural swing. You can climb up the tree and swing out over the river. It's an experience that's equal parts thrilling and beautiful. As our journey through the Philippines comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture of this incredible country. Whether it's the serene beaches of Palawan, the majestic Mayon volcano, or the enchanting streets of Vigan, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for